The sixth CANdo issue is stop government theft of our property. This is an increasing phenomenon in this country, and you might recall the case of Peter Spencer, the farmer who went on a hunger strike. He went up a tower and was on a hunger strike. That was because the federal government and the state governments had conspired together to set aside his land as a carbon sink. This was to satisfy the Kyoto Protocol, which we hadn't signed, but they wanted to satisfy the terms of the Kyoto Protocol. So the federal government said, well, certain land must lie fallow. It can't be used. And since if the federal government tried to do it, they would have to pay compensation, we'll have the states do it. And that's what they did to this farmer. They did it to a number of farmers, but this farmer said he would starve himself to death unless they changed that. And what it meant was that he could not use his land for farming. He was allowed to keep his land, but he couldn't use it because it had to satisfy some aspect of Commonwealth policy. And too much of that is happening in relation to property in the country. Not everybody who comes to CANdo will agree with every campaign. The idea is to get people interested, to energize them, to get them to act in relation to these. People need not be passive. If they're irritated with what's happening to them, they wonder what they can do. We say, yes, the people can be involved, the people can do it.